Welcome to IT Academy STEP Cambodia. In this video, we'll introduce you to Mystat, our comprehensive online study management platform. Mystat is designed to streamline your academic experience by keeping everything you need in one place. With Mystat, you can view your class schedule, access study materials and resources, submit and track your homework, monitor your academic progress and attendance, earn badges and rewards, and even shop for STEP-branded items using your earned stars and diamonds. Now let's dive into what Mystat is and how you can use it effectively. What is Mystat? Mystat is a modern tool that works on both mobile devices and computers. Upon registering as a student at IT Academy STEP, you'll receive an email with your unique login credentials. These credentials give you access to your personalized dashboard, where you can manage your studies with ease. To make it even more convenient, you can download the Mystat mobile app and have your study tools at your fingertips anytime, anywhere. How to log in. Logging into Mystat is quick and simple. Open a web browser and type mystat.itstep.org, then hit Enter. Switch to the English interface by clicking EN in the top right corner. Enter your username and password in the provided fields. Click Login to access your dashboard. For mobile app users, the login process is similar. Just open the app, input your credentials, and start exploring. Exploring the Mystat dashboard. The main dashboard is your control center. Here's what you'll see. Leaderboard ranking. Check where you stand among your peers in terms of performance and participation. Homework status. A quick overview of your pending and completed assignments. Billing history. A detailed record of your payments and any outstanding fees. Grades and attendance. Monitor your academic performance and attendance percentage. You can even review specific dates of missed classes to stay on top of your studies. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with this dashboard. It's the best way to stay organized. Updating your profile. Your profile is where your personal information is stored. To set it up, click Profile in the menu. Update your details such as your name, phone number, and email address. Upload a clear and professional photo of yourself. This helps identify you in the system. If needed, change your password to something memorable for you. Remember to click Save after making any changes. A complete and updated profile ensures smoother communication with your teachers and the STEP team. Homework assignments. In the homework assignments section, you can view and manage all your assignments. Here's how it works. Until execution. This category contains tasks you need to begin working on. Under review. These are assignments you've submitted that are currently being graded by your teacher. Completed. This section displays finalized assignments along with your grades and feedback. Make it a habit to check this section regularly to stay on top of your homework deadlines. Timetable. The timetable section provides a clear view of your upcoming lessons. You can see the subjects, times, and instructors for each class, helping you plan your day efficiently. Educational materials. The educational materials section is your digital library. It includes lecture notes and presentations, homework guidelines, laboratory instructions, videos and articles, tests for practice and evaluation. There are two types of tests available. Self-tests. Practice without affecting your grades. Control tests. Final exams that contribute to your evaluation. Remember, you can attempt control tests up to 3 times. Take advantage of this section to enhance your understanding of the material. Awards and rewards. The awards section showcases your badges and diamonds. These are earned through attending classes on time, actively participating in contests, and leaving feedback on your experience. Diamonds and badges aren't just for show. You can use them in the shop to redeem exclusive STEP-branded merchandise. Shop. The shop is where you can spend your earned rewards. Browse through a variety of branded items and redeem them using diamonds, earned through attendance and feedback, coins awarded for your grades, badges, representing milestones you've achieved, This is a fun way to make your efforts in class more rewarding. Contacts. If you need assistance, the Contacts section is here for you. Use it to send messages to your teacher for academic inquiries. Contact the management team directly for urgent matters. Simply write your message, select a topic, and click Send. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope Mystat becomes your go-to tool for a successful and organized learning experience at IT Academy STEP Cambodia.